Hey guys, hope all is going well. Just gonna kind of talk through the couple of the examples that I gave you guys on my work. All of these are they're the first four questions that came up for me when I did the assignment that you guys have on Khan Academy. So we're finding particular solutions to differential equations, and here's what you get every time. You're going to get a derivative. So the f prime of x is negative 27 e to the x. And they're saying that f of 6 is 36 minus 27 e to the 6. They want us to figure out what f of 0 is. Well, we've got f prime of x. We need to find f of x. Well, how are we going to do that? We have to integrate. So then once we have f of x, there's going to be a c in it, a constant in it. We're going to figure out what that constant is by using this given condition. Okay. And that'll allow us to solve for the constant. Once we know what the constant is, now we can plug 0 in for our f of x and get the particular solution. So first, use f prime of x to find f of x. Well, we do that by integrating. So if f prime of x is negative 27 e to the x, we get the integral of each side. Well, the integral of f prime of x is your f of x. The integral of negative 27 e to the x, well, that just ends up being itself plus c. All right, so we now have f of x, but we need to know what the c is. Well, we're going to do that by using f of 6. So instead of f of x, we now have f of 6. We're plugging a 6 in for x. And we've just gotten negative 27 e to the 6 plus c. Well, that f of 6 way up here earlier, we said that f of 6 would be 36 minus 27 e to the 6. You can see here that c would have to equal 36 to make the two sides equal to each other. So instead of f of x being negative 27 e to the x plus c, f of x is negative 27 e to the x plus 36 because c is 36. Well, now we can go figure out what f of 0 is. We're going to put a 0 in for our x. Let me take a look. We put 0 in for our x, negative 27 e to the 0. Well, e to the 0 is 1. So this is just negative 27 plus 36, which ends up being 9. All right. And we'll do the next one with more of a polynomial function here after this.